So,
Okay. My name is Bonaventure. Welcome to our business, mathematics and statistics class. The other day, we were looking at mean. We went ahead and looked at median. Today, we are going to look at mode, the most occurring number in a frequency. The most occurring number in a given data could be like this. The most occurring number in a given data could be like this. F stands for frequency. Six. 40 to 50. 3. This one is a grouped data. And in a grouped data, we may be asked the model class. You may be asked about the model class. Our model class, the most occurring class here will be, you see the frequency is 8. So the most occurring class here will be 20 to 30. That is the most occurring class. So sometimes you may be asked to find the most occurring class in a grouped data. So you look at the frequency, and then you come and say, because since the frequency here is 8, and 8 goes by 20 to 30, so we know that the most occurring class here is 20 to 30. Is 20 to 30. It's 20 to 30. But at times we may want to find the exact data, because the data given here is 20 to 30. So which means the most occurring class falls between 20 and 30. So when we are asked to find the data approximately the mode between 20 to 30, there is a formula that we can use to calculate the mode. This formula is this way. The formula is this way. This formula that we can use to calculate the mode is given as follows. We say mode. This is our mode. We say model class here. Our model class in this question is 20 to 30. That's our model class. And our formula is mod is equal to Fm minus Fi Fm is the motor class and Fi is the frequency. It's the frequency. It's the frequency. And then we also have then we say this will be our formula, and then here we say Fm minus plus Fm minus F2, where and then here our mode will be equal to L plus, where L would represent the lower class. The lower class is represented by L, and then FM frequency motor class. Frequency motor class. This is the frequency motor class M, and then Fi the preceding frequency. Fi is represented by the preceding frequency. For example, here is 8. The preceding frequency is this one, and the preceding one is 6, and the preceding here is 4. So Fy will be frequency preceding. Frequency preceding will be represented by Fi. Then F2 will be represented by frequency proceeding or succeeding. Can say even succeeding the other. Frequency succeeding. So now here, to get the really mode, we come and say the lower class here, the lower here is 20. We say 20 plus, you write here, 20 plus, this is the motor class. So it will be 8 motor, this is the frequency of the motor class. Frequency of the motor class is 8. So we say 8 minus the frequency preceding, which is 4. Frequency of the motor class here is 8, but the frequency preceding is 4, and the frequency succeeding is 6. So we write 4 here, and then we come here and say frequency of the motor class is 8. We say 8 minus frequency preceding is 8. Then we write our bracket here, Then we say frequency of the module class is 8. Frequency of the module class. So we say 8 minus the succeeding frequency, which is 6, minus 6. So we come and say 20 plus 8 minus 4 is 4. And then over 8 minus 4 is 4, plus 8 minus 6 is 2. So it's 4 plus 2, which is 6. So now we say 20 plus, we divide 4 by 6. We divide 4 by 6. Dividing 4 by 6, we get it. Dividing 4 by 6, we say 4 by 6. We get 0.67. 0.67, 2 decimal places. So it will be 0.67. So it will be, when we add, we will say 20.67. So now our mode would lie somewhere there. So that will be the mode. That will be our mode. That will be, sorry. And then we have forgotten one thing. We write class interval. I represents class interval. I represents class interval. And so we will make some necessary correction here. You see, having gotten our class interval between 13 and 20 is 10. So we have to multiply by 10. So we come here and multiply by 10. When we multiply by 10, it will be 20 plus 6.7. So our module class will be 26. Our module will be 26.7. Our module will now be 26.7. So we have gotten our mode in a grouped data. But if it were not, if the data was not grouped, it could have been, we could have just looked at the frequency, and you know that the most occurring item, for example, if there was 20 alone, it would be 20. And if there was 30 alone, it would be 30. Okay, that done. And that's not the only method of finding the mode. We can also use the histogram to find the mode. We can also use the histogram to find the mode using the same figures. This is what we will do. This is what we are going to do. We will draw a histogram here. A histogram is drawn this way. We write this way. Then we write this way. This is our x, y-axis. This will be our x-axis. And then we look at the classes. We start looking at the classes. So we write 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So how many classes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we say 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Then we come here. We come here and say, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we say 10 goes by 2. So 10 goes by 2. So we say our histogram starts from here, this part. 10 by 2, and then 20 by 4. So 4 is here, 4 would be here, 4 would be here, and then 4, then we come here. Yeah, this will be 24, and then 38. 38, 8 is here. We come and measure it here, then here, we come down, write 8, then we move here. That's the 8. Then 46, 6 is here. 6 is here. Then this will be our 6, the frequency. And then 40, 30, 46, 53. Then 3 would be here. 3 would be here. Here, write it here. Then we write this way. So from the graph, we see that the most occurring class is 20 to 30, and here it is the tallest. You see, it is the tallest. It's the tallest. In fact, it should reach here. This is 8. It should be a bit here. Yeah, that's the tallest. So we have used the graph. So thereafter, we want now to get, once using this graph, we draw a line from here. We say, and then another line here. So where this one, this diagonal will meet with this one, we call it our model class. So this one is roughly, here is roughly 26.7, you see here. So we have used our histogram to find the mode from the given data. That done. We will now, our next lesson will be on standard deviation, which we will look at another day. We meet in this class again. Bye bye for now.